Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxanne. Today I'm going to be doing a video in which I'm going to show you how to make a reusable cotton. These ones are some examples. Basically you can have all the size and shapes that you want. So here I made a round cotton. You can have multiple sizes, multiple textures. So it's basically what you want. That's up to you. So what you're gonna need to do that is some material. If you want to do this kind of things to hang it somewhere, you should have some things like that. And basically you can use a sewing machine, or if you don't have one, then you can just sew it by hand. If you want to know how to do that, it's really simple. Keep watching. So right now what you need is to make 2 pieces of cotton, the size you want. So you can make them round, squared. Here is one. I'm gonna use this one to cut the second one so that they have the same size. So here we have both our pads for the cotton. I do like when I can hang them with these kind of things, so I'm gonna add this to it. So I'm gonna use this. This is a good size. This is the size that we don't want to see. So we just put them like that. Then we need this to go out. So what we're gonna do is, okay, we're gonna put it like that. This pad on top of it. Turn them around. You're gonna have something like that, okay? So, right now what we're gonna do is to sew this side, and this side together. Okay, so right now this is what it looks like. So here is the result. So as you can see, this one is quite small. You can do it the size you want, but like if you want to see what it looks like compared to the ones I've already done, so you can see the difference. What's left is to close this hole. What you can do is just sew all the way around like this one, but this is sewed all the way around. I'm just gonna sew here. This is not very pretty, but you know I'm not gonna sell them, so it's just for me. So that's how I like to do them. Isn't that cute? With these little hearts. Okay, so now you just have to cut these little holes. If you've done a stopping point, and Here is the final cotton pad. You can add some little crazy points. You can just make a double material cotton pad. I mean, you can get so creative. That's what I like about doing that. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see, this is the final cotton that we made. So if you liked this video, don't forget to like that. If you have some advice for me, or if you want to see some of the things, or you want to give me a feedback or whatever you want, write that in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!